Transformer protection. In transformer protection, the general fault in transformer, first is open circuit fault, second is overheating or overloading fault, third is winding short circuit circulation fault, and fourth is fault due to lightning. This type of fault, the protection relay is used. The first relay is the Buckau's relay, second is the earth fault relay, and third differential relay, and fourth is overcurrent relay. Today discuss in Buckau's type relay. This type of relay is used in transformer. The Buckau's relay is used to power transformer are equipped with several protection system. They include the Buckau's relay is protection that detect the only internal faults. What is the Buckau's relay? The Buckau's relay is a safety device which is generally used in a large immerse transformer. It is rated is more than 500 kVA. It is the type of oil and gases actuated protection relay. It is used for the protection of transformer from the fault occurring inside the transformer, and such as impulse breakdown voltage or in case the leakage of the current, leakage of the winding, and the temperature is suddenly increased. That types the Buckau's relay is operated. The working principle of Buckau's relay: whenever the fault is occurs inside the transformer, such as insulation failure of the turns, the breakdown of the core or excess of the core is heating, and the fault is accompanied by the production of excessive heat, and this excessive heat decompose of the transformer insulation oil, which is a result in production of the gas. The mostly the hydrogen gases is liberated is around to 75%, and small amount of ethane, methane, and acetylene, these gases are created. This excessive heat decompose of the transformer insulation oil, which result in production of the gas. Such generally gases is depend upon intensity of the fault. The gas bubble is tends to flow in upward direction toward the conservator, and hence they are collected in the Buckau's relay, which is placed on the pipe connecting the transformer tank of and conservator. The construction of this Buckau's relay: the Buckau's relay is consist of a oil filled chamber, and they are the two hinge float, one at the top and other at the bottom in the chamber. Each float is accompanied by a mercury switch, and the mercury switch on the upper float is connected to the alarm circuit, and that on the lower float is connected to the external trip circuit breaker. The construction of Buckau's relay: whenever the advantages of Buckau's relay: Buckau's relay is indicate the internal fault and due to heating and help to avoiding the major fault. The second advantage is severity of the fault can be determined without even dismantling of the transformer. If the major fault is occurs in transformer, can be isolated with the help of Buckau's relay to prevent the accident.